Hey man, if your first time is coming up, whether it's tonight, next week, or after the wedding, and your brain is racing with, what if I mess this up? What if I finish in 10 seconds? What if it hurts her? Take a deep breath. You are 100% normal. And today, I'm walking you step by step through exactly how to make her first time and yours feel safe, connected, close, and genuinely beautiful instead of awkward, rushed, or painful. I'm Dr. Amelia, board-certified sexual medicine and andrology specialist with 15 years of experience, and I've personally guided hundreds of couples through their very first night together in my clinic. When you follow what I'm about to tell you, she'll remember this night as the moment she felt truly wanted, cherished, and cared for. Number 1, and I cannot possibly say this loudly enough, enthusiastic, happy consent from both of you is everything. Married or not, both of you have to be genuinely excited and relaxed. Look her in the eyes and say softly, "We only do what feels good for both of us tonight, okay?" If she hesitates even a tiny bit, slow everything down. Cuddle, talk, kiss her forehead. Real men respect boundaries without being asked twice. Number 2, talk like a normal human, not a porn script. Whisper things like, "I'm a little nervous too, but I want this to feel amazing for you." Admitting you're nervous actually makes her feel safe and turns her on because it shows you care more about her comfort than your ego. Keep checking in gently throughout. Does this feel nice? Tell me what you want me to do next. Communication is literally the strongest aphrodisiac there is. Number 3, smell like the man she can't keep her hands off. Women's sense of smell is 10 times stronger than ours and goes straight to the arousal center in her brain. Take a proper shower, especially down there. Use a clean towel, brush your teeth, and put on a high-quality cologne. 2 light sprays on the neck, 1 on each wrist. Choose something warm and masculine that mixes well with your natural scent. Test it beforehand. When she buries her face in your neck later, that smell will make her whole body relax and want you even more. Number 4, start ridiculously slow and gentle. For the first 10 to 15 minutes, barely touch her at all. Play with her hair, trace your fingertips down her arms, hold her hands and slowly massage each finger. They're packed with nerve endings. Light strokes on her lower back, waist, and the sides of her ribs. Your only job right now is to make her feel completely safe, adored, and turned on before anything sexual even begins. Number 5, give her the perfect full body hug. Pull her in close, chest to chest, 1 hand high on her back, 1 low on her waist. Let her feel your heartbeat, your warmth, and that cologne. Hold it for at least 30 to 60 seconds. That simple hug floods her system with oxytocin and makes her body melt against yours. Number 6, kissing like it's the main event, because tonight it is. Start on her forehead, move to her eyelids and cheeks, then the jawline, the sides of her neck, behind her ears. Soft breath or the tiniest lick there will give her full body chills. Only after several minutes, go to her lips, and keep the first kisses soft, slow, and romantic. No tongue dive, no face eating. Think, "I can't believe I finally get to kiss you" energy. Number 7, when it's time for penetration, set both of you up for 0 pain and maximum pleasure. Always use a condom, protection plus 0 pregnancy stress on the first night. Keep a bottle of good water-based lube right there and use a generous amount. First times are naturally tighter and drier. Warm her up properly with your fingers or mouth until she's genuinely breathing heavy and pulling you closer. Enter 1 inch at a time, pause, kiss her, let her adjust. If she winces even slightly, stop immediately. Add more lube, cuddle, and only continue when she smiles and says yes. Stay shallow and gentle for the first few minutes. Deep or fast can hurt. Number 8, throw every movie and porn expectation straight out the window. 90% of guys finish in under 2 minutes their first time. Totally normal and nothing to be embarrassed about. Laugh together and go for round 2 in 20 minutes. She almost certainly won't orgasm from penetration tonight. That's perfectly okay. Her pleasure tonight comes from all the kissing, touching, and feeling emotionally close to you. Bleeding is not required and happens in less than half of women. The hymen is elastic tissue that usually just stretches from sports, tampons, or normal growth. No blood does not mean anything about her past. Trust each other. Number 9. Aftercare is what turns a good first time into a legendary one. Don't roll over and fall asleep. Pull her in your arms, kiss her forehead, stroke her back, and ask softly, "How are you feeling? What felt the best for you? Tell me what felt amazing for you too." That 5-minute cuddle and conversation builds deeper trust and love than 10 years of dating ever could. Your first time is not a performance test. It's the very beginning of learning each other's bodies together. Focus on love, connection, and making her feel safe, and it will be one of the most beautiful nights of both your lives. Do these things with genuine care and respect, and she'll be the one pulling you back to bed again tomorrow. If this calmed your nerves, drop "first time ready" in the comments so I know you're walking in confident. And if you want my complete first night comfort playbook, exact positions that never hurt, best lube brands, what to do if things feel awkward, and how to make round 2 even better, it's linked in the description, completely free. You've got this, brother. Go make it a night you'll both smile about forever. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of her, take care of yourself, and enjoy every second.